So it's back with a bang, and it feels really different this time. You're not failing, it is just all too much. So let me show you what I've put in the boys' packed lunches today. And I don't know if I've shown you what we've done to our front room. How are you feeling about homeschooling? Good? This is Fraser's setup for the day. This is Caleb's setup.
Yeah, I broke it.
I don't know if I'll be able to cope. And it was just so dramatic.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say.
God, I hope you can see me. Right, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day back at school for the boys. It's the first day I've set an alarm for a very long time. So I set it for 6 a.m. this morning because I wanted to get up a little bit before the boys and just try and get myself organized. I needed to wash my hair, so I did that hack, you know, you just wash like the top half of your hair. I did that, put a bit of makeup on, got dressed, brushed my teeth, like everything that I needed to do is now done. So I feel a lot better for the day. And now I've come downstairs, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make their lunches. I'm gonna make them all a packed lunch, and then I'm also gonna lay out their snacks as well. So that is like done. I know we're home, but when they're eating lunch, I've scheduled a work call with my manager. So it will be good if they can just eat their packed lunches, and it's just all a juggle because we're back to homeschooling here until the February half term. They're saying we're homeschooling at least until then at the moment. So it's back with a bang, and it feels really different this time. Obviously now it's winter, so we don't have like the lovely sunshine that we had in the first school lockdown. And the school has obviously had time to plan for this, so online learning is a lot more advanced. Like the teacher's email last night was like how it's gonna go. They have like a full schedule, like a full day of online learning, which, to be honest, I just don't know how it's gonna go. We'll see what it's like today. So in the first school lockdown, we were like just like going for walks for like PE, and we were like, you know, doing some fun things that we ordered in and stuff. And I just don't know how like being on the screen from 9 till 3 is gonna go. So I'm hoping that the teachers are gonna be like, this is your lesson, can you go off and do that now? And they don't have to actually sit there the entire time on the screen. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. But I just thought, at least if we just treat it like a normal school day. So last night we laid out all of their clothes, even though it's just casual clothes, we laid out everyone's outfits like we always do on the banister. We're gonna make their packed lunches, gonna make their snacks, and then at 9 a.m. when they need to log on, we're both gonna be on hand. Luckily Matt is at home as well to help with all of this. So the plan is for one of us to be with Caleb and really helping and assisting him because he's 7 and he needs a bit of help, and the other one is going to go in between like Fraser and Jackson, so like kind of playing with Jackson and just checking in on Fraser that he's okay, has everything he needs. Last night as well, we went onto the school website, we printed off all of the work that they need for today, so that's like, you know, a big tick that's like done. But anyway, I hope you guys are all doing really well at this very strange and weird time. Let me know in the comments how you are. I feel like we're being asked to do so very much, and a friend of mine on Instagram last night shared a post and it really spoke to me. She said the average school day is 6 hours, the average work day is 8 hours, and the average parenting day is 12 hours. So that is 23 hours. So you're not failing, it is just all all too much. I know everyone's circumstances are different. I know that I'm actually very lucky that I can kind of juggle work. Like I can stay up late and catch up. I can do a vlog and like edit it, and I've got Matt at home at the moment to help me, and I know everyone's circumstances are very different. I was thinking about Jackson. He's actually been in like lockdown or this whole situation for like a very big part of his life, at least a quarter of his life. So it is affecting them now. You can't say it isn't. And Fraser was so excited to go back to football training. Caleb is really missing gymnastics. Like they haven't done swimming lessons for so long, and that's a skill that I always feel like they really need to learn. So they are massively missing out now. Sorry if this is getting deep first thing in the morning. But I'm just feeling really sorry about that, like sorry for them and like worried as well. But anyway, I'm gonna make their packed lunch. I'm just gonna make like the usual. I'm gonna do soft cheese sandwiches, and I'm gonna do cheese and ham sandwiches for some of them. And yeah, I'll show you what I'm packing. But anyway, I'm sending lots of love. Good luck. We can do this. Can we do this? Right, so let me show you what I've put in the boys' packed lunches today. I always love seeing what people do for like inspiration. So Caleb has a soft cheese sandwich. He's got some cut up grapes, a few Monster Munch. I bought a big bag, so I've just put some in there. Then he's also got a yogurt, and the other day it was all Easter eggs in the shops. So I bought some Cadbury's cream eggs for their pudding. Then Fraser has these little like salt and vinegar French fry things that he loves. Again, I bought a big bag, and then I just like decanted it. He's got some grapes, he's got ham and cheese sandwich, and he also has a little caramel cream egg. And then for Jackson's lunch, he's got a ham and cheese sandwich as well. He really likes that. Then he's got some baked crinklies. He's also got a yogurt. He really loves these. And then I got him this little like Smarty bunny. I just thought it was really cute and thought he would like it. So yeah, that is their lunches, and then I'll show you what I've done for their snacks. And I'm actually putting their lunches and everything properly into like their packed lunch boxes like they normally would have. I just thought it would just make it feel like normal. So I've put their lunch bags next to their snack pots. These are the same boxes that I used in the first school lockdown. I haven't found Jackson's. I must have misplaced it in the move. But for their snacks, I've literally just filled up the normal water bottles that they would have for school. So they've got a drink. They know where that is. Then for Jackson, he's got an apple, a Barney Bear, and a Dairy Lee Dunker. For Fraser, he's got an apple, a Barney Bear, and some red peppers and hummus. And then for Caleb, he's got pretty much the same, but he's also got one of these that he really wanted me to buy from the shop. So he's got a pepperami as well. But yeah, I love these little hummus snack pots. They're ideal for when they go to school. I probably can just buy a big one now that they're at home, but they are really handy. You get them in like a pack of 4. And then yeah, I either send in like breadsticks or just some little like cut up red peppers, which are really sweet. The boys actually really like them. I know it's a veggie, but it doesn't like feel like a veggie to them. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So I'm hoping that is like their food done for the day. So like help yourselves, like fill your boots, and then hopefully we can actually get on and like concentrate on other things. I feel like this is becoming a bit of a food vlog, but now I'm making some porridge for me. I've got in this habit of making porridge with raisins and cinnamon, and then while I am like stirring it for like a few minutes, I listen to the news on this little thing and like catch up, scare myself for the day. How are you feeling about homeschooling? Good?
Yeah.
This is Fraser's setup for the day. This is Caleb's setup.
This is very, very exciting. Okay.
Ooh, what's this I see here?
She said, think about what you're really proud of, and it's me doing a poo. So homeschool's going well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's now 10:30, so it's break time.
Yeah, it's 10 poo.
And what did we just learn? What are you going to be learning about this term?
Poo.
Not poo. He's going to be learning about the Great Fire of London.
The Great London of London. The
Great London of London. So Fraser's actually done all this before, so we know a little bit about the Great Fire of London, don't we, Bubba? Actually, while Caleb was listening, I managed to do some emails and I sent off some work that I needed to send off. So all in all, not a bad start to the morning. Jackson has been building Lego this whole time. He's built a little house. See it, Janks? With a little door.
broke the roof.
Did it break the roof?
Yeah, I broke it.
And now he said he's building a TV with a couch. Oh, is that the TV?
Yeah.
That's really good.
So we made it for the pig family. So we sit them here, we sit them down, and then they have to watch the movie.
Oh, that's so cute.
I make to the window, but I need
Daddy.
Daddy's
too big to fit in. But the mummy could go there, and then George could go inside, couldn't he? There.
But then
Oh, I need to go on the treadmill.
Wait, I got an idea. I need a bigger couch. So break these pieces
Oh
off.
no, it's so good though.
I have to make a bigger couch.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it broke. Just leave it.
Listen here.
Here's my dad doing
You got it.
Here's my dad.
Right, so it's packed lunch time. Are you enjoying it, Frey?
Yep.
Yeah, you having a little break? How's it been?
Good. I've almost finished the afternoon's work as well.
Oh, good.
These are Skittles. No, they're not.
What, they Smarties? Jackson's just found his little bunny. Do you like it? You like it? Excited? Okay, so it is now about 2 p.m. I have had my work call for an hour. Poor Matt was down here running between all the kids. But Caleb is actually done for the day now. It's 2 o'clock, but do you have PE now? Did they say PE?
Yeah.
So we might go for a walk, run around, skate park. It's actually a bit wet, so maybe not skate park. But we are going to try and get him out. He's got a smoothie lolly to celebrate the fact that he's finished homeschooling. Yeah, Fraser's still doing a bit more work. Also, just realised I have forgotten to eat lunch because it's been so crazy. So it's 2 p.m. You know, you just like make sure everyone else has got their lunch and stuff, but I've actually realised that I haven't. So I'm just gonna make like a little omelette now. So here's my omelette with some mushrooms and tomatoes and cottage cheese. We've just come to the skate park at the end of the day for the boys' PE lesson, but Jackson really didn't want to come, so Matt is at home with Jackson, and that's good because we've actually got a gammon in the oven so he can like watch that, and Jackson just really didn't want to come out, but it is raining a bit. But Caleb was really excited, but then as we got into the car, he managed to close the door frame on his fingers. So he was holding one side of the door and then he closed it on the other side, and he jammed his fingers in the door, and it was just so dramatic. Like, he's absolutely fine, they just look a bit bruised. But with Caleb, he never complains about pain. If he ever cries, you know it is like a genuine, like he's gotta really hurt for him to cry. So I just knew it was really bad, and I've just given him some Calpol. We ran his hand under cold water and it just looks a little bit bruised, but I'm just really hoping he's okay. I think these doors have like a bit of cushion because, like, to begin with, he was like, oh, my doors, he was like, my fingers are caught in the door, my fingers are caught in the door, and then he started to panic and get really upset because his door is child lock. He couldn't open it again, so it was just like really dramatic. So now he has stayed behind, which is such a shame because he was so excited. Like, all day he was like, oh, well, we will go to the skate park. It was like he got through homeschooling just to come to this. So anyway, we're here. I've got the best parking space to see Fraser, so I'm just watching him. And I was just going to make another work call. I have one more call to do with Juliet, who I work with, and just generally like catch up because obviously we haven't had a chance to chat today because it's just been like, I honestly feel like this is day one. I feel like I don't know if I'll be able to cope, and as I left, Matt looked a bit stressed as well. So anyway, it's okay, I'm fine, it's fine, everything is fine. Right, so we just had dinner and now Matt has taken the 3 boys upstairs to have a bath, and I'm gonna do a quick HIIT routine. And I don't know if I've shown you what we've done to our front room, but we've basically turned it into a bit of a gym. We brought the treadmill in from the garage. We bought this secondhand a while ago and it's been great. We've had it in our garage. We can go out there and run, but it has been so cold here that I just haven't wanted to go and use it. So I thought if we moved it inside for the winter, I would actually use it. And now that I'm tracking my steps, if I ever don't hit 10,000 steps, I just go on the treadmill for a bit, watch a YouTube video and do the steps that I need to do. I've also got some weights. I've got some kettlebells over there and some dumbbells as well. And basically I really overindulged in November and December, like a lot of people did. So I've made a goal that I'm gonna do this 12-week fitness challenge. So I need to do a HIIT routine today. I can't be bothered today, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And I actually have a day off from working out tomorrow, so I can look forward to that. So my workout is all done. Daddy is putting Jackson to bed, so I'm putting this adorable monkey to bed.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So we've got spellings to do.
Yeah.
But I think you're going to smash them. I think they'll be okay this week. Hey guys, so all the kids are in bed now, so I've just made myself a decaf coffee. We've lit a fire. Matt's actually watching the football, but that should be finished soon. And I'm just going to chill out and edit this vlog. I've also really got into watching Bridgerton, is that how you say it? It's on Netflix and I'm really loving that series, so I'm gonna watch some of that and chill. But I feel like it's been a really full-on day. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you so much for watching. I've got my fleecy blanket hoodie on. But anyway, yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.